Yeah, no, I bought a video when they started to reserve it. So we that's what we started. I mean, I can that's
a bit confusing, isn't it? It's like when you come in, there's nothing to say.
Well, we came in through the rear doors because we were unloading this morning. That's all I've seen so far.
Yeah. But where you come in the main end, Roswell, there's nothing, there's a sign saying Barrymore Way. Nothing to tell you what you had to do or where it was. Nothing.
I think because they were.
But the inside signs coming in off the motorway were brilliant. Take you right to the spot.
I know they were at the. What do they call it? The IBM has the 1,000 lakes or something, is it?
1,000 Lakeside.
Yeah, 1,000 lakes the last 2 years.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, down
North
there.
Harbour, yeah.
I don't know if that's floor spaces.
I thought that was pretty good.
Expensive. That's why I wonder where it's
Just give him a click around the air if he gets in the way.
I thought that was pretty good.
Yeah, it was nice and open, although it did get a bit warm late in the day.
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
Tell you?
Yeah, I guess there must be a reason.
Tractor there.
Yeah, it's alright, but I find it's okay if you've only got limited space. Thanks. Enjoy.
Okay, trying.
Try and get it down as low as you can.
You ready that in fact?
I am not your van train.
Good.
Okay.
Station.
Your van train is.
Train should go straight. Oops. That's it. Is anything happening? I can't see, Phil.
Something coming along.
Sorry?
Something coming along.
Something coming along, that's right.
Because that's what you want. Yeah, that's what you're on there. Oh.
Parsons Tunnel on Dawlish Seawall, based on Dawlish. There you go, walking around the scenery. As you can see, there's cows at the top. Open down to the hill itself. And coming past now is a cross-country Voyager.
220017.
And Dawlish tunnels down there.
Does it come off again? Probably.
The 3 tunnels.
Oh, yeah.
Ballast of little people.
No, you don't. I can't explain that to Louis laptop.
It's the other end of the tunnel at the far end. You come out into Dawlish itself, and then the bridge was about half a mile in the exit direction from Dawlish Station.
87, 672, and
This is the bit I knew these two would like. This one's my son. Yeah, this one's friend. Because I knew you had a couple of 37s on there. Oh yeah.
Oh, we got mistaken. What's that way? Yeah. It's like a little snake, isn't it? Yeah.
And then we come through the there. And then they'll change junction because it changed junction.
4309.
Yeah, we can't bring everything to every show, I'm afraid.
43,029.
Oh, 3-1.
43,031. Cornwallis Yard, seeing flower movement.
So we've done them on the extra thing. So when you do it, the signals change, everything changes.
We're nearly there. I will be there, but not with the layout. Oh, no.
You've done it. It's next.
Come off.
It's the other one. It's the second one back.
Thank you. Shall I ease forward, Bob, so you've got access to
Yeah,
it?
please. Whoa.
With the guys with the cameras, make sure they're slick.
Yeah, you're okay.
It's the second one.
Yeah.
I do that, was I? I was going somewhere else.
Coling Yard.
Oh, I forgot. Be careful you don't get too close.
So that's it. I might like that. Taking a lot of things.
A4.
Say no.
I still do like
Well, I had
116 with the fireboxes.
模型彩虹车，这个太可爱了。还有你看那些人呢，在爬山，你会觉得羊
你是不喜欢？火车有没有很快很快？喜欢哦。下次叫妈咪带你坐火车来宜家玩，好不好？
对啊，哥哥有好多玩具可以玩。
Oasis to be quite a bit. Well, no, but it's all sort of over in the old yeah.
However you feel project.
Around the bottom. Big model arrow at the bottom. Top it comes out with a big gauge.
It'll be back.
Alright, a display one, yes.
It's coming. That big tree's going to come back. That's
Yes, the station. From the other side, it's nothing. So it goes through like have that in the middle.
Yeah.
Sort of like spinning.
Yeah, or a little square where you're sat in the middle. And then you go there, right, 1v1 and you can turn in.
That's 153. Little train spotting view. The 57 DRS coming. Stoppers. With 57605. And 67018. And 171724.
Which stopped?
Is this a Japan model railway?
Yes.
That's your main exhibition layout.
No, the main one.
Oh, it's got another one besides that.
Yeah. We've got several actually.
We're in the process of building an N-gauge one.
Wait, that is what colour.
Aye.
Should be red.
59 to 06.
Track that would come down the Buckingham from the town station.
Hawksey Town with the
There's third rail, that's not going to be there, that's not there no more.
third rail. And going along to the dock side, Hawksey Town. Here comes the train now.
No, see this one coming, so maybe it's okay.
Going back to the station up on the Gosport Road.
All right.
So somebody's already done Gosport apparently.
Okay.
Which I'll do, I'll pass you on this afternoon.
Portsmouth Harbour.
So Ken is still going.
You recognise it here?
Portsea Harbour here, so it's Portsmouth Harbour. There's the exit to the station. And the water that goes down to the ferry. Unit.
Sorry?
Alright.
It's running a lot better now. It's operator trouble most of the time.
I'm sure we'd like to count. It's being able to fit things in.
Yeah, and it clashes with, excuse me, with West Prime Street. We said we're always going to go to a 3 water cycle event rather than an exhibition. So, but yeah, same time.
Westford.
That's fucking crazy.
Theoretically, what I'm doing is, that's right, is pre-nationalisation.
Britannia class.
This stuff, it makes people like giving up straight away.
Well, I try not to let it get to me, honest. As long as you enjoy modelling, that's the thing, isn't it?
Yes, I mean, I'm inquiring what they made of all the photos.
Yeah. That's nice, right?
Going now.
I've got some video.